Good morning, dear students. So today I want to take one of the important examination question. That is also, so when you carefully observe this second unit in the syllabus, basically two questions are very highlighted. Those two questions are HTTP web services or HTTP application services and SOAP web services. So these are also very, very important examination point of view question. So when you carefully observe that previous semester, the e-commerce, in the part of fourth unit, that is called EDI, Electronic Data Interchange. So before start of this topic, just you rewind that topic is called EDI in the previous semester. On the day of the EDI session, I had expressed my feelings. If you want to interchange, if you want to transmit the particular data or information or standard formatted data or information from one location to another location through a language is called XML. Electronic data interchange, electronic document interchange is a process to interchange the data. Which data is there? Standard formatted data. So which data will be secured sequentially, designed with include various methods, design the data with the applications, design the data with the standards. That kind of data is called as standard formatted data. Simply said that it is called formatted data. Simply called as formal data, means official data. So when you feel that official data, it is possible to sending from one location to another location. But condition is what? That transmitted data will be controlled by a special language is called XML. That is a part of EDI in the e-commerce. Same like that, like EDI, SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol. This protocol will be interchange the data, transmit the data, messaging the data from one computer to another computer through XML, Extensible Markup Language. In the previous session, I am simply explained HTTP means we want to secure or maintain the particular data or information. That secure process will be controlled by the special protocol is called HTTP. That HTTP will be control the data or secure the data with help of the combination of two protocols, TCP, IP. That is for only secure purpose. That is only for maintaining purpose. That is only for what is called implementation purpose. Here, for only transmitting. మనకు తెలుసండి. We want networking for what? For the question mark. What is the importance of the networking? What is the purpose of networking? And what is the reason of the internet? Why we need internet? For the question mark. Question is looking very easy, but concept is different. Sir, we need the internet. Looking carefully here, we need the internet for browsing the data, searching the data, implement the data, operating the data, process the data. But By using networking, we have to transmit the data from one location to another, one location to multi-locations. That is only for transmit purpose. That is only for transmit purpose. Here, the word will be transmitted, will be converted as messaging. For messaging purpose, we need a special protocol. Is called Simple Object Access Protocol. Is called SOAP. So already 4 times came in the previous examination. So this time also compulsory. 99.9% chance in the examination. So without this question, without this topic, we can't expecting the cyber security question paper. So put a maximum focus on this topic, may be helping to short type and essay type, means 5 plus 10 marks in your package. So before going to next slide, just to imagine here, what is the HTML, what is the XML? Just to rewind that web technology information is there. Just to rewind. Why? Because we need the 2 languages to provide the standard formatted. The standard formatted data will be transmitted through networking. Networking will be depend on HTML, hypertext markup language. For what? To design the web pages. To design the website. Collection of website form as a one kind of area is called as a website is there, no? The website will be controlled by the internet, like a www. Like that, one kind of linkage is there. So I'm simply say that cyber security is called one kind of pattern to provide any kind of information with help of networking. Networking means what? Depend on 2, either secure or unsecure. Secure means private data. Unsecure means public data. With secured means what? Always controlled by the user with help of a key, like a primary security key is called like a password. Public means what? Everyone will be simply access the data and browsing the data at a time or different time. But both are implemented the same. Both are called as a public and private, both are called as the websites. But websites will be controlled by the web pages. Web pages will be taken by the HTML. HTML is dependent on XML. Like that, one kind of linkage is there. HTTP always depend on HTML. SOAP always depend on XML. Means every kind of protocols will be controlled by the different kind of protocols. So like that, in the last class, I'm simply expressing my feelings like every protocols, means network security protocols are divided into 2 categories. Number 1, security protocols. Number 2, messaging protocols. All security protocols will be controlled by HTTP. All messaging protocols will be controlled by the SOAP, that is called Simple Object Access Protocol. So based on this information, we will simply write some information in the examination point of view. I want to express my feelings like a separate slide about what is the SOAP, what is the purpose of SOAP, and what is the importance of the SOAP. Simple Object Access Protocol is a messaging protocol for exchanging information between 2 or among the computers with help of a special language is called XML, Extensible Markup Language. So what is the purpose is there now? SOAP is a messaging protocol specification for exchanging the structured information. Very careful is there. So when you feel that my data is called meaningful, my data is called as a structured, my data is called as a meaningful, nothing but formal or official, that is called as a structured information. the structure information in the implementation of web services in a computer networks is like a LAN, WAN, MAN. I repeat my words is there now. SOAP is a messaging protocol specification for exchanging the structured information in the implementation of web services. Basically, this simple object access protocol uses HTTP for what? Implementation of the data. Simple mail transfer protocol for transmitting the data to exchange the complete documents among the computers through internet. So these services are very useful. SOAP services are very useful. For what? SOAP services are always depend on e-commerce platform, just I told, is called electronic data interchange, is called EDI. So that purpose, I'm simply say that all of you just to rewind the EDA topic in the e-commerce before start of this topic also. Then here I'm giving the one diagram is there actually. The diagram is a very, very important. Carries 4 marks in the examination point of view. Everyone must and should follow this diagram. Out of 10 marks is simply 4 marks goes to this diagram. So here is looking very simple diagram. Looking carefully here. This diagram was divided to 2 categories, like a left side and right side is there, no? So left side, we want a one computer is there, is called sender, and right side is called as a one kind of computer is called receiver. You know, as per computer terminology, every data will be transmitted between the 2 computers are called server and client. Client to server. So one server will be distribute the data to one client at a time or multi clients at a time. That is called basic information. But here, by using this SOAP services, we have to first request the particular message, particular information. By using a protocol is called HTTP. It's clear now? But the sender will be sending the information or sending the data or information or messaging the particular structured document by using HTTP to the receiver. After receiver received the information sequentially, then again same HTTP will be provided to the particular document, then sending to again to the back of sender. So what is the concept is there no? First person will be sending the information. After receiving the information by the receiver, after examine my data is true or false, then after realize automatically same using protocol, then passing to again sender is there. But this structure will be controlled by a special language is called as XML. It is called XML. So looking carefully here, this person sending the information to the receiver sending a reply. That is called sending and receiving, sending to the second person receive the information, again back to the sender with help of same HTTP. Is clear now? So this is called as a simple mail access protocol. So simple object access protocol. But based on this diagram, we should write here 3 parts. Means the diagram was classified into mainly 3 parts. One is called server provider, and one is called server receiver or requester, and third is called service registry. So this is called one kind of pattern. Is clear now? So say in this one, for example, 1 is goes to 2, 2 is goes to 3, again 3 is goes to 1. Like a cycling. Is clear now? So this when the disturb these steps also automatically we are not accessing that SOAP services. Is clear now? And the meaning ఏంటండి SOAP services always మనకు ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ ని ఫాలో అవుతూ ఉంటుందండి. ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. ఏంటి ఆ స్ట్రక్చర్ అది? సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్ నుంచి రిక్వెస్టర్కి వెళ్ళాలి. ఆ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఎలా ఉండాలండి? ఆఫ్టర్ రిజిస్టర్ ద పర్టికులర్ డేటా సీక్వెన్షియల్లీ, అగైన్ ఆఫ్టర్ sending to back after realization. Is clear? But I am taking here the SOAP web services architecture is based on interactions between three components like a service provider, service requester, and service registry. But I am taking here the particular message will be interchange between two computers or two parties or two objects, two persons with a special software is called XML. Clear, no? But this software was given by the service provider. Then what the second stage is there? In the second stage, the particular message will be requested by the second party from the first party with the help of a special protocol is called HTTP and SMTP protocols. After completion of second phase, then in the third phase, the service registry is a central location where service providers can publish their service description. So data one will be passing is there, no? After registry is over, no? Again, same back to the first person. Second data, third data, fourth data. Like after build up that registry into sequentially, then we can simply pass into the return to the first person is there. I'm writing here where the service requesters can find those service descriptions and registered into sequentially, step by step, one by one. It's clear, no? That is called like a service 1, service 2, service 3, service 4, that like imagination. But condition is what? These service purely depend on web application. That is called www. It's clear, no? So this is called a small information about SOAP web services. Very, very important examination point of view question. I repeat my words, 99.9% chance in the examination. So be careful, listen carefully. If you not understand, take one more time, after you realize, then write this information in your notes. It's clear, no? Thank you very much.